So as I'm finishing the before and after of Emily Binx, I think it looks much nicer with the background blacked out. I darkened a few of her features, but the interesting thing about this tombstone is the letters were already dark. This is a lot different from the William Butcher or Billy Butcher tombstone, where I had to darken the letters myself. So it was nice that they put that detail in. But of course, if you're going to be dark on the lettering at the deeper stone, you need to be darker for the rest of it too, right? So that works with me. I'll go ahead and do some invisible ink or invisible glow-in-the-dark paint, clear glow-in-the-dark paint over her eyes, just give her a little spookiness under the black light. But that is my after of her.